I just left CVS looking for a keto snack so I can have it with me in my car in case there's ever a time and place that I get stuck, because with Optavia, I used to keep fueling in my glove box here. But now that I'm doing keto, I need a snack to keep in the car just in case. And I thought, what better thing that could withstand the cold, being outside the car, would be some beef jerky. So I went into CVS just to see what they would have, because notoriously beef jerky is loaded with sugar and high carbs. So I came across this. This has 14 grams of protein, I believe, per 1 ounce. There's 0 sugar, 0 carbs, and I'm going to read you the ingredients. Pretty cool. Beef, gluten-free soy sauce, and then in parentheses it tells you what the soy sauce is made of: water, soybeans, and rice salt. Beef broth, vinegar, granulated garlic, and salt. That's it. There's no sugar. Looking at the nutrition information here, it's 1 ounce, so there's 2 servings in a pouch. 70 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 carb, 0 fiber, 0 sugar, 14 grams of protein, and 500 milligrams of sodium, which is a lot. However, when you're doing low carb keto, you need some sodium in your diet. You just do to keep your blood pressure stable. So I'm gonna go and taste this right now. I opened it, but I haven't tried it yet. So let's try it on camera if I can get it open. Okay, here we go. So nice size piece, bendable. It's not like rock hard, so if you have any kind of issues with that, this should work. So here we go. Let's take a taste. Well, I can tell you that it's a pleasant surprise. Very good, not very hard. Actually has some pliability to it, which I like. You can definitely taste the garlic and the spices on top, which is pretty hot. But I really like it. And I also got a bottle of bubbly, which is flavored seltzer water. This is cherry. 0 everything. So this is okay to have, which I'm gonna need because this is spicy, but very, very good. Very good. It says on here that it is made from premium cuts of beef. This jerky is proudly produced and packaged in the U.S. in Tillamook County, Oregon. And then there's like a little story about the company here, family-owned business. And on the front here it says gluten-free, no MSG, which is very, very good, and no nitrates. So this product, guys, is definitely great. I'm excited. I'm going to keep this in my glove box after I have one more piece, this little one. And I just wanted to share. So if you have a CVS near you, try this stuff. Let me know what you think. It's a great little portable snack. Have a great day, guys.